Hey folks! Today let's talk about something straight out of a sci-fi movie, NASA's latest strategy to protect our planet from killer asteroids. Yeah, I'm not kidding. We're talking about spacecraft armies and even nukes. So buckle up because this is going to be epic. First, a bit of context. NASA has always been at the forefront of space exploration, but now they're taking their game to the next level by preparing for the worst, an asteroid impact that could wipe out life as we know it. So, what exactly are their plans? NASA's strategy revolves around two main ideas: spacecraft armies and nuclear explosions. Imagine a fleet of spacecraft working together in perfect harmony to nudge an asteroid off its collision course with Earth. This isn't just a cool idea. It's actually being tested right now with the DART mission. DART, or the Double Asteroid Redirection Test, aims to crash into a small asteroid to see if we can alter its path. If successful, this could be a game changer in planetary defense. Just imagine an asteroid hurtling towards Earth only to be gently nudged away by a team of robotic heroes. But what if nudging isn't enough? That's where the nuclear option comes in. Now, I know it sounds like something out of a Hollywood blockbuster, but using nuclear explosions to deflect or even destroy an incoming asteroid is a real consideration. The idea is to detonate a nuke near the asteroid, altering its course or breaking it into smaller, less dangerous pieces. It's a last resort option, but it's on the table. And let's be honest, it's both terrifying and fascinating. Now, you might be wondering, how serious is the threat? While the chances of a planet-killer asteroid hitting us are low, the consequences would be catastrophic. So it's better to be safe than sorry. NASA isn't the only player in this game. Other space agencies around the world are also developing their own methods for asteroid deflection. It's a global effort, and it's reassuring to know that some of the brightest minds on the planet are working on this. So, there you have it. NASA is gearing up to save the world from killer asteroids with spacecraft armies and nukes. It's a thrilling time for space science. And who knows? One day, the future of our planet might just depend on these groundbreaking efforts. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating updates from the world of science and technology. Until next time, stay curious.